Having a great evening in America, and to all my friends in Asia. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic start of the weekend. So yeah, we'll just wait for more people to get into the live stream, and then we'll get into the content. So we're gonna have a really huge fantastic live stream. I haven't done a live stream for a long time. My bad. I've been busy with a lot of other things. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this live stream, and yeah, let's just wait till we get more people in the live stream. We got 4 people in the live stream. Welcome everybody. Welcome. I'm so glad that everybody's here, guys. Everyone, if you take the time, go to my YouTube channel page. Hey Dustin, good morning. Good morning, brother. Thanks. I'm so appreciative that you're here. But let's just wait for more people to get in the live stream. Yeah, it's really fantastic that you're here. So if you guys haven't had time, go to my Crypto Daily Trade Signals homepage and check out some of my other videos. We've got a lot of amazing videos. Go back and watch those videos. I'm sure you're going to enjoy them. Some fantastic information, some really good trading information, some really good strategy information, and I think that you're going to love it. I'm going to love it. So yeah, guys, don't forget to go back and check that. Right now we got 7 people watching, and we're going to get into it in a second. Let me just turn on the live chart for Dogecoin right now, and then we'll get into it. Absolutely, we'll get into it. So it looks like overall, it looks like we could be having a green weekend overall. So I'm pretty excited about that. Hopefully you're excited. Don't forget to smash that likes, everyone. Let me get some water. Get some water. Also, looks like our portfolio is also doing pretty good. So I'm pretty excited about that as well. Let's get into our portfolio. So yeah, our portfolio is doing pretty good. You guys can see that right now, despite the markets being a little bit turbulent right now, we're still up 1.38%. So that's pretty positive. I think that we've got a fantastic portfolio. We got some really good diversification. Right now we're looking at Bitcoin representing about 29% of the total allocation. Looking at Ethereum, almost 24%. Dogecoin, 5.4%, and Polymatic, 4.7%. We're looking at VeChain, 5.3%, and we're looking at Cardano. So our Crypto Daily Trade Signals portfolio is looking pretty positive right now. You can see that overall, if we look at our P&L, let's get our P&L happening there. You can see that our P&L, Bitcoin we're up $12, Ethereum we're up, Tether we really don't care about that, right guys? So yeah, woohoo, Dogecoin to the moon, guys. So we still got 16 people in the house, and so let's jump into it. No point waiting for everyone to jump in on the bandwagon. So if we could look at Doge right now, Doge in the house. So I drew this descending triangle a couple of days ago, and you can see that we had this huge fake out here. It was almost a 12% decline from top to bottom. Let's just measure that and see where we are in terms of where we are in the price range there. So if we draw from here to here, we can see that there was almost an 18% drop from the top to the bottom here. So from that perspective, guys, we're doing pretty good. We're coming back up, and that's really fantastic. So hopefully, it looks like we're having some trouble with the live stream right now. It looks like the internet is down. So hopefully the internet will come back up, guys. So I don't know what's happening with the internet. Looks like we're connected. Technical troubles right now. Let me just refresh that. Let's see. Hey Josh, good morning. Howdy, brother. Looks like we're having some technical difficulties right now with our internet. Let me just see if I can fix that. Bear with me 1 second, guys. I'm back. Let's hopefully the internet recovers. All right, looks like we're back. We're back up. Looks like we're back up, guys. Looks like we're back up. Excellent, excellent. All right, well, looks like we're back. I don't know what's happening with my Aurochs live feed. Let me just go and get rid of that. Let me see if we can add that back in here and see if we can get that happening. So here we go. Looks like Eric is a good time to buy more. Yeah, I think it's a good time to buy more, guys. I think we're going to see the markets explode soon. I think everything is going to go up. So it looks like we're back now. Fantastic. All right, sorry about that, guys. I don't know what happened. The internet went down for a second there, so we're back up again. So hopefully you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, and that everything is going to be going up. So I'm so excited. You should be excited too. Let me just refresh everywhere. So hopefully you guys, sorry about the technical difficulties. Welcome to the internet space. So everything should be okay now. All right. So hopefully you guys can see me right now. Okay, everything's back up, good. So as I was saying, from here to here, we had about an 18% drop in price. And it looks like Dogecoin hit a major support level around about 20 cents, and then we bounced up again. So if we measure that out, we're looking at a measured move of from here to here. We're looking at approximately 14% move from the base here to here. So that's pretty bullish. And that was really driven by Elon Musk. That was really driven by Elon Musk's tweet. But we're still maintaining organic momentum right now, so that's really positive. And you guys should feel really positive and pumped about where Dogecoin is going. You know, there's been a lot of haters out there, and people thinking that Dogecoin is just a silly coin, a trash coin. But this is the joke coin that's become the main coin. So yeah, guys, I mean, I'm really excited to be in this space. Dogecoin to the moon. Woohoo! Doge spreading love. Doge spreading love. So let's jump into some of the news, guys. So one of the news stories that just came out is Bitcoin exchanges reserves make a downtrend. Are whales starting to accumulate? So you can see that there's a lot of exchanges that the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is now being sold off, and we haven't seen this kind of sell-off since 2008. So this really means that something big's going to happen, something great's going to happen, and I think that we're going to see a huge sell-off. So there's a number of people. Willy Woo is also talking about it as well. Plan B is also Glassstone is also talking about it. Over the last 3 weeks, approximately 40,000 K have been withdrawn, 28% come in. So we're seeing a lot of BTC being moved off exchanges, and this is a good sign, because often once we have a lot of BTC being moved off the exchanges, it means that the whales are loading up, and this could mean that we're going to have definitely an upside soon. So I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty bullish about this. So you can see here, this is the Bitcoin price here, and this is the amount of Bitcoin on the exchanges. So you can see that minus 40,000 Bitcoins of inflow. So we're way down in terms of that. This is the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges. So the lower the Bitcoin exchanges, the better, because it means that people are hodling, people are not buying and selling, and that means that it's very difficult to have a big sell-off because there's no Bitcoins to sell because all the Bitcoins on the exchanges are off, right, guys? So that's really good news. Other news: crypto ads are no longer allowed on TikTok. So TikTok has basically said that it's going to be no more cryptocurrency ads on the platform. So that means no more Doge hyping is going to be allowed. So that's really interesting. I don't know why TikTok made this a move. So TikTok announced on Friday that certain types of ads will no longer be allowed on their platform. Cross-based promotional content was included among the new verboten topics, according to the FTA advisor. The new guidelines on the social video posting site will specifically inhibit users from promoting promotional content about financial products, regardless of the poster's geographical location. So according to TikTok's branded content policy, the promotion of all financial services on this platform is now globally prohibited. So this is interesting. So TikTok was a hotbed for Doge hype in 2020 when users shared related videos in an effort to get more folks to jump in on the bandwagon. So other social media sites have also hosted notable financial markets discussion in recent months. So let's hope that we don't. So let's hope we don't see big bans and other platforms coming. So that would be really not a good news if we see overall bans coming on other social media platforms. So yeah, this is not good news for crypto overall. Let's take a look at Sentient. They recently had an article out, and it's talking about average trader returns have exploded, price upswing back. So if we look at the MVR, we're seeing that a lot of traders, the prices are going back and the MVR is in the upswing. So that's also a bullish piece of news for everybody here. Let's look at the fear and greed index right now. The fear and greed index, as you can see, right now we're not in an altcoin month. We're not in altcoin season, and definitely not an altcoin year. So let's take a look at that. So is it altcoin season? What is an altcoin season? If 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last season, 90 days, it's altcoin season. So if we look at the coins that have performed well in the last 90 days, we only see Matic, Doge, ETC, AMP. Hey Dustin, thank you, brother. Thank you for that super chat. I appreciate it. Yeah, thank you. So we can see that AMP is also one of the coins that are outperforming Bitcoin. So that's really good. Guys, I'm sorry about the technical difficulties. I don't know what's going on with the internet here. It's really bad. It's really slow. I do apologize for that. It kind of threw me off my game a little bit, so I apologize for that. Is it altcoin month? No. So what is an altcoin month? If the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last 30 days, and definitely we haven't seen that. So the only coins that have performed better better than Bitcoin has been Luna, Leo, SNX, Shibcoin, GRT, L-Gold, Atom, CRO, Aave, and DCR. So the rest have been underperformed. And then is it altcoin year? So if 75% of the top 50 coins have performed better than Bitcoin over the last year, then it's altcoin year. And you can see here, it's definitely not altcoin year. Definitely not. And the biggest performing coin over the last year has been Doge, and it's up 6,050%. So if you've gone into Doge early, guys, you are doing very well. So we really need to get this moving into the altcoin season. We're around about here, if you guys remember, in April. We were definitely in altcoin season, and you can see here that in May, when we had the new highs for Bitcoin, we were definitely in full-blown altcoin season, and that really started from around about the 3rd all the way up to May, and then after we had that huge crash, then it took us down below. So we really need to get the markets moving, and the only way that we're going to see the markets moving is if Bitcoin moves up. So let's take a look at the overall markets right now and see how we're faring. So right now we can see that the overall total market cap is 1.4 trillion, and the volumes are down a little bit. It's at 826.35 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance is still going up, too much for my liking. But we're seeing a lot of gainers versus losers today, so that's really good. A lot of gainers, so I'm pretty happy about that. And these are the top gainers here. Doge isn't quite there yet, but we're still doing pretty good. Doge overall is in positive territory. So let's take a look at the overall markets. Right now, BTC is up. It's trading at 33,788, and that's up 2.34%. Ethereum right now is trading at 2,145, and that's up around about 69%. And Dustin, I just want to say thanks very much, brother, for that super chat. I really appreciate it. And BNB is up 2.2% right now, so that's pretty good. And we're seeing ADA is also climbing. It's at 1.62%. And my Doge is up 4.21%. So it looks like overall, guys, we're heading into, it looks like another green weekend. So that's really interesting that that's happening, that's actually happening, that we're having another green weekend. So I'm not going to jinx it by giving any price predictions, but I'm pretty happy that we're having a green weekend. So that's really cool, guys. So guys, don't forget to smash don't forget to smash the like. Appreciate it. So my internet is just not doing very well, guys, so I'm really apologizing for that. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Guys, smash the likes. We only got 16 people liking. We got 68 people watching it live right now. So please smash the likes, guys. I really appreciate it. And Doge is still doing pretty good. We're well above our 21 cent. We're going down a little bit, but it's really not that bad. So I think that overall we'll have a green day. And you see my blue 50-day moving average here. We really need to blow past the 50-day moving average if we're going to have a chance of going up to 24 and 25 cents. I still see there's a lot of money sitting on the sidelines right now, and I think a lot of people are waiting for the Grayscale Trust to unlock on the 19th of July. So that's definitely coming. So I think after the 19th of July, we could see better performance overall in terms of the whole crypto space. Let's jump into BTC and take a look at where BTC is right now on the charts. My internet is slow, guys. So if you look at BTC right now, you can see that BTC is forming a huge, a bit of a huge descending triangle, and we had support around about 31.4. This is a big support line here. And we can see that, we had a bullish signal, a bear signal here, and that drove us all the way down. But now we're getting a bull signal here. So hopefully this will take us up. We really need to go up to at least 35,000. If we cannot go up to 35,000 soon, we're going to see ourselves definitely retracing ourselves down. So guys, remember, you guys need to be positive. You guys need to spread some love. Doge spread love, guys. So we need to spread some love around here, and you guys have to understand that Doge is not only a cryptocurrency. Doge is also a community. It's about spreading love. It's about diamond hands, and a lot of people suffer from what I call paper hand syndrome. And a lot of people suffer from acute paper hand syndrome, where any downward movements in the market, people are going to start to panic. So we're seeing some red happening here, and I'm sure that some of the paper hands are going to be panicking. But paper hands, if you're out there, don't sell. Diamond hands, because if you do sell, it gives people like me and Dustin and other diamond hand people out there to buy your coins cheap. So don't give in to the whales. Don't give in to the pressure. Don't sell your coins cheap. So you guys just need to stay real positive. Don't be wet Nancy's. You guys really need to just stay in the game. And overall, we're seeing some downtrend, but we're still in a bull cycle, and this is this is a micro bear cycle, and we still have this Wyckoff pattern still playing out. And you guys just have to realize one thing: you got to be in it to win it, and don't be. You guys need to focus on being transactional, not reactional. So I see a lot of people just react to the markets and they dump the coins and they get emotional. You also have to take your emotion. You have to remove the emotions out of your daily buying and selling. This is so important because if you guys just are so emotional about when there's a small movement, a small correction, you guys are just absolutely going to panic. So let's once again just to prove a point here. Let's look at the price range here. So if we draw from here to here, you can see that we had approximately a 21% drop. Okay, right? Now if we draw again from here, let's get in that here. Now if we draw from this bottom here to here, you can see right here we've had an 18% drop. So you can see clearly how the markets can ebb and flow. So here we had approximately a 13% drop from the top to bottom. Sorry, a 20% drop. And now we are regaining most of those losses, and we only have around about 6.5, 6.6% to recover. So, we're not far off back to recovery. So you can see how the markets ebb and flow. We have the drop, we have the drop, and then we have the upside. So you can see here once again we have the same kind of action. We have the drop, we have the retesting of the bottoms, but you can see that now our lows are higher and our highs are higher. So to get back up to 25 cents, we need to go up about 40% in price. And in crypto terms, particularly for Doge, to move 40% in a short period of time, it's not impossible. It's absolutely not impossible. This can absolutely happen. So you guys need to have diamond hands. You guys need to have patience. And remember, never settle at a loss. A lot of people, there's a lot of people that bought way at the top, way at the top, and are losing money. You guys have really no choice. If you bought in around here or you bought further at the top, you have no choice, but you're just going to have to wait till Doge recovers. And we can see, if we look at the total trend, we had a huge explosion up until May. Then we've kind of had what I consider a huge uptrend. Then we've had a downtrend, and if you zoom out, you can really see that we're getting a lot of sideways action. If we measure from the top here to the bottom here, we're seeing a 60%. But overall, you can see that the whole formation, a lot of that formation is sideways. So you guys shouldn't panic. And if you go back in history, you can also see that Doge tends to go sideways, then it has explosive price gains, then you see some sideways action, then explosive price gains, then it has a downtrend, a huge drop, then it goes back up again, sideways action, huge drop, then consolidation, then it goes up again, huge drop, consolidation, and we're seeing a huge consolidation, and I believe that Doge is set to explode in a very short period of time. So some of you may not agree with me, but I'm still very bullish on Doge for the long term. We had Elon Musk tweeting out yesterday in terms of, if you look at some of the Doge fundamentals, with a new upgrade, we're going to have lower transaction fees, higher speed, and it just sets Doge up to be I believe, the currency of the future, guys. So there's so much positive news out there. There's so many catalysts out there. You guys just have to, be patient, have diamond hands, guys. So that's what I'm talking about. You guys just have to be patient, have diamond hands, zoom out, look at the weekly charts, look at the monthly charts. Like if we zoom out and go to the one-day chart, you can see that things look a lot better. Internet is really slow here. I have no idea what's going on, but the internet is bad, really bad. So if we zoom out on this chart, you can see that things are not looking that bad, and we're still on the daily chart. We've got a huge green candle, and I believe that soon we're going to retest the 50-day moving average, and we're going to go up, guys. Absolutely, we're going to go up. All right, so that's about it for me. Let's jump into some Q&A right now, guys. So if there's any super chats or anything, I'm happy to entertain those. And if there's any QA, so I bought Johnny. I first bought in with 20K in 0.55. I've been buying with diamond hands, and I'm now cost averaging 32. So yeah, and Johnny is absolutely right. You need to dollar cost average, guys. It's so important that you dollar cost average, and you need to hodl. So if you did buy at 60 cents, the only way to bring your strike price down is you need to dollar cost average. So these are some really good buying opportunities right now for Doge. Huge buying opportunities. So all I can say to people is, if you have the opportunity to buy low, buy now. That reduces your overall strike price, and that means that you're going to be in profit a lot faster than if you just sit and wait. So now is a good time to dollar cost average. I mean, I've been dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. I've been dollar cost averaging into a lot of my positions right now, and overall I'm bringing down my strike price. So you guys just need to have diamond hands and don't panic. The markets are definitely going to be moving up soon. And I believe that, after the 19th of July, we should have some momentous movement, guys. I really think that it's going to happen. It's just a matter of time. And I just believe that this whole phase for Doge is a big consolidation phase. That's what I think. That's what I believe. And remember, if we look at our portfolio, our crypto daily trade signals portfolio, Doge in the house, guys. You guys just need to be more positive. You can still see that we're up $75. Even though day before yesterday we're down, we're bouncing back up, and you can see our portfolio is pretty much diversified right now. And it's really important that all of you need to understand that diversification is really key to being successful in the crypto space. Diversification, diamond hands, hodling. And never sell at a loss. Remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just me offering my opinion, guys. So once again, guys, diversification. Because a lot of you in the comments are saying, oh, you put your life savings. I put my life savings in 100% in this coin and that coin. Well, that's a recipe for disaster. So please don't do that. Diversification is really important. And Dustin is exactly right, diversification. So yeah. Hey, William in the house. Dogecoin to the moon. My strike price keeps going up, keep buying low, but it keeps going lower to the month straight down. So George, you just have to keep buying on the dips and reduce your strike price as much as possible. All right, guys, any more questions out there? All right. So if there's no more questions out there, I'm going to end this live stream early. Seems that we're having a lot of technical problems with the internet. It's really slow. I do apologize for that, guys. So Matic is a really good coin. Matic is a fantastic coin, guys. Guys, smash the likes. I've only got 31 likes and 96 people watching, so please. But hey, Sean, thanks. Keep up the good work, D. Great videos and comment. Thanks, Sean Perez. Thanks for the super chat. And I'm just so sorry, guys, that the internet's been really wonky. It kind of knocked me off my game a little bit. Silly Willy, I love you too, brother. And thanks, guys. I do really appreciate it. If there's any more questions out there, please let me know, and I'm happy to answer any questions. But if there's no more questions, no more super chats, then I'll end the live stream in about 5 minutes. All right, guys. Once again, apologies for the technical problems. And guys, remember, call to action. hashtag Doge spreading the love. So if you go on Google and you put in hashtag Doge spreading love, you'll start to see that a lot of the content on my channel is coming up. A lot of other content is coming up with the Dogecoin spreading love hashtag. So make sure you guys do that. You know, make sure also that if you go to my channel page and repost all of the videos on your socials, let's get the message out, guys. Thanks, chat box. You know, once again, I'm sorry, guys, for the technicals today. The internet is just horrible today. So I'm going to end the live stream here, guys. Once again, God bless you all. Love you guys to death. You guys take care. Be well. Be blessed. And I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. We'll have an update at 12 o'clock. You know, and I just want to say, Dogecoin to the moon, sharing the positive vibe. Guys, you know, spread a little love. God bless everyone. Hug your wife, hug your kids, have a great weekend, and woohoo! Dogecoin to the moon, guys. So this is really fantastic news. Dogecoin to the moon. All right, guys. Woo, be blessed, everyone. Be blessed. I appreciate it. Take care now, everyone. All my